I want to talk to you about a recent post on our Instagram. I want to talk to you about this guy right here. First of all, I love his smile. I love what he's done. And I love the fact that we posted it, but I wanted to do a rant to tell people that this almost didn't happen. This guy had to go to a cosmetic dentist. This smile would have never happened. You're gonna see what he looked like when he came to me. And that smile was rough. And that's not a guy that would be wearing sunglasses and smiling. You would never see him smile. Everyone who ever knows him for the last 12, 13, 14, 15 years has not seen him smile. And if they did, it was an accident that was embarrassing to him. He learned about me online. I changed his smile to where he wanted to send me a picture of him smiling. It shows what we do all day, every day. I changed his life. I gave him a smile that fits his life. This guy now has a smile that's different than what he's known. Guys, you may not know this. Here's a fact I want you to know. The average person with a bad smile, just like this one, keeps that smile for 13 years. I'm just glad that this man came to me. He got our press-on veneer. It's the simplest amount of work that we do, but it's still hand designed, it's still hand contoured, and I think it's done with a lot of intentions to have a smile that fits his face. He didn't have a choice then, he didn't have it 5 years later, didn't have it 10 years later. But today he has it, and today we made it, and we acted on it, and I am very, very glad of the results, and I hope you are. Let me know what you think. See you later.